Just got a new car, shipped all the way from the UK. New Rolls Royce, custom made, bespoke. You got the key? The best car lady in the world. Guess what just came? Brand new car, Rolls Royce Go Series 2. Where they ship it from? Oh, she's handing me the key.
From Goodwood, England.
It got shipped. It's called what? Bespoke is what they call it. Custom built.
Custom built.
So they shipped it on a boat. It has 9 miles on it. Let me crawl up here on the flatbed, make sure I don't fall. Ooh. There we go. It's badass inside. It's got white with two-tone. And hold on here. I figured I show you right off the flatbed. It's all custom built. It's got the Starry Light package inside. I'll show you what that means, but it's kind of cool. It's never been driven, so they flatbedded it here. It's white with gray on the back. I mean on the front. So pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Well, sweet. Okay, you want to unload it now? Sounds good. We'll unload it. He's unloading it now. Got to pull that thing off. They don't like to drive them, so they flatbed them right from the port. What port did it come in from? Long Beach? Where?
From Goodwood.
No, but where do they bring it into the U.S.?
Oh, they bring it into New Jersey and then they ship
Oh,
it
New
over.
Jersey. And then it goes on a boat to Oxnard or a flatbed to Ox? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it goes on a boat.
So it goes to New Jersey. Boom. Oh, he's pulling it off. They brought it on a flatbed. Got it from Ogara. It's got 9 miles or something on it.
So you have the full technology package, driver assistance 3 they call it. So
Driver assistance got everything I could
everything.
get.
Night vision, lane departure warning, head-up display, active stop and go cruise.
So this is hand painted. There's only one guy in the world that does it.
Hand painted freehand. By freehand, like no, there's no
It
stencil.
takes 16 hours per side.
Well, because it's a double coach line, yeah. And he uses like a squirrel haired paintbrush. But he's teaching his 17-year-old son right now to do it.
Now we move to the back.
Yeah.
Anything in the back?
Yeah, there's a lot in the back. So this is how you pull out the picnic table, pull it towards you.
I love it as a picnic table.
And it's a black piano wood to match the dash. So you can pull this out and have a book right here. And then you also have memory on each side and you have massage on the back seats as well.
It's nicer than a private jet.
I feel very blessed to have this new car. I remember my first car that I was able to afford was a Mitsubishi Galant. I don't even remember what year it was, but $6,000. I bought it from like CarMax or something in North Carolina. And so if you're watching, you know, and you see stuff, I got a lot of cool cars now, but you got to work your way up to it, you know? And that's not even about cars. For you, you might want to work your way up to something else, but you got to have patience. You know, this car that Mitsubishi Galant was a white car, so this kind of reminds me of the same thing. It's all about patience, patiently building and rewarding yourself as you work hard, you know? Work smart, work hard, step by step. The quote I love from Charlie Munger, the billionaire, says, step by step you get ahead, not necessarily in fast spurts. So I don't want this to just feel like me bragging or something. Maybe this will help you out, you know, encourage you that no matter where you are now, you could build up to something cooler. And life's all about the rise. It's all about the increase. fit in here, huh? Anyway, thought I would share that with you, and hope it encourages you.